So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now we're going to expand control set 001. And now we're going to expand services. And now we're going to find NDU. We're going to scroll down till we find NDU. You want to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the NDU folder. And now once you're in the NDU folder, you want to find start. Double click on start. And now in this box right here, you want to type in 4. So make sure that on the validator, you have the number 4 and then click on OK. Now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.